Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is B and you're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you ways that you can safely brighten your skin. I know we definitely want to always like touch up, maybe just brighten it up to make the color pop, right? First of all, you have to know your skin type. Okay, know your skin type so that you know what works for you and what doesn't. What I would recommend is to use wash off active. Okay, use wash off active, and that's in form of soap, scrubs as well. So because you tend to like wash those off, right? If you don't use them well or safely, they would definitely like ruin your skin, talking from experience. So an example would be like using what's the most popular one, let's say a Kojic sand soap, right? And then use a moisturizer. Okay, any form of moisturizing lotion, that you can use as your cream. Perfect blend. You use that as a soap, you wash it off, and then you use a moisturizer. I'm not asking you to use a Koji sun cream, and then use the Koji sun soap. That is way too harsh, irrespective of your skin type. That's way too much. Way too much. You're gonna be stripping off your melanin, babes. We don't want that. Okay, so what you can do, like I said, is use this and then pair it with this, or it could be this and pair it with this. Just any form of lotion that you want to use. It could be Vaseline, it could be Nivea, it could be Bioderma, it could be Johnson, you could be E45 like myself. This is E45, my lotion. I really don't use active soap, or I'll come back to that. So you could do that, okay? And if you're going to be using this particular one, if you know that the particular soap or the any wash off, it could be scrub that you're going to be using, it's going to be like, it's very, very harsh, right? Use it every other day instead of every day. I hope that makes sense. Like, use it every other day instead of every day, because it's very, very harsh. Okay, you have to gently introduce it to your skin, so if this works for you and if it doesn't. Okay, so when you go out there and you're looking for that lightening soap or that lightening scrub, just know that, okay, try, you test it out, it's good for your skin. You can use it every other day. Depends on how mild or how harsh it is on your skin. You can decide to increase it to every other day. But then again, if you're going to be using the Kojisan, it's just way too much. Okay, you can use it, I would recommend to at least at most like 3 times a week or 4. I don't, like I said, depends on your skin type. Okay, my skin is very, very sensitive, so if I was to use Kojisan, or when I did buy Kojisan, I was only using it twice a week. Like I said, lean towards the one that that is perfect for your skin, because I cannot tell you which one to buy exactly, but then again, that's a perfect way to blend it, because when you use a active wash off and then you moisturize your skin, it's not going to be so harsh on your skin. I hope that makes sense. Let's say you're like me, you're already light, or you already like your perfect shade, right? And you don't want to use active soap. You, like me, you want to use just any normal bath soap, basically, right? So here's what I do. I already have this, like I've shown this before. So, but then again, these two, I hope you can like see it because of the light. So these two, like, this is Natural Clear, Clear Nature, and then this is like E45 lotion, right? What I do is, since obviously I like the way my skin is looking, is that I use this every other night, and then I use this like every day. What I also do is most times I only concentrate on my darker areas, let's say my knee, my elbow, and those other side that you feel that are darker than every other part of your body, just to like blend and even it out. That's what I do. That's basically what I do with this. So but my go-to is this one, okay, just to like maintain the color, moisturize your skin, keep it healthy and hydrated, moisturizing and sealing in the moisture with oil, any form of body oil that you want, is basically what I do. Okay, so my tip to you is, you already like the way your skin looks, but then again there are some places on your body that are darker than every other part of your body. What you can do, or what you need to do, is probably just cream those areas, and then just moisturize the rest of your body. Cream those areas with that cream that you feel is going to like help lighten or brighten that particular space. This I said in one of my videos, is that it cannot lighten you, but it can definitely brighten you if you use it like every day. But then again, it kind of like lighten you if you're looking to lighten your skin. So those are the ways that I have managed to like even out my skin to a certain extent. Still doing it. It doesn't take like 2 days or 2 nights. No, it literally have to like give it like a month, 2 months, and then you start seeing results. Trust me, try this idea because it's something I've been doing for a long time. I just felt I should share it with you. Thank you very much, and see you on my next video. Bye.